Presenting the BPL Video Laryngoscope, a compact, lightweight and portable video laryngoscope that provides enhanced visual output resulting in reduced intubation time and effective patient care. A reusable antimicrobial handle and high-resolution 4-inch anti-reflective LCD display is designed to give maximum control to the clinician with its screen rotation properties and video refresh rate of 30 frames per second. Its 2-megapixel CMOS camera, high-definition anti-fog lens and integrated LED light source provides high-performance visualization on the anti-reflective LCD display. The affordable, sterile, vacuum-packed disposable blade connects securely to the video laryngoscope handle. The disposable blade is designed to aid in endotracheal tube placement and eliminate the risk of cross-contamination. The 4 GB built-in memory provides for continuous video recording and image capturing with touch of a button. The videos and images can be transferred via a micro USB port, which makes data easy to store. The BPL Video Laryngoscope comes with a rechargeable lithium-ion battery capable of 2 hours of continuous usage over a single charge. A low battery indicator on the screen informs the user on the need to recharge in time before the next surgery is planned. The BPL Video Laryngoscope, a new-age video laryngoscope helping in fast and effective intubation.